Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a professional dashboard using Canva. It's a simple and powerful way to present data, whether you're building reports, business overviews, or visual summaries. To get started, head over to Canva's official website and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, use the search bar and type Dashboard. Canva will show you a variety of dashboard templates designed for different purposes. Browse through the collection and choose one that best fits the type of information you want to showcase as well as the audience you're targeting. After selecting a template you like, click on Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. This is where you can transform the template into your own unique design. Replace the sample content with your actual data, charts, icons, or text. Adjust the colors, fonts, and layout to match your personal style or brand identity. Canva's drag-and-drop tools make it very easy to resize, rearrange, and recolor elements with just a few clicks. Once you've customized everything to your liking, your dashboard will be fully polished and ready to present or share. It's a quick and creative way to turn raw information into a visually appealing and professional-looking dashboard. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching.